Welcome back. This is part 2 of the Mihandra Jeep freshen up. So a bit more video of me pulling the bits and pieces off the Mihandra, getting ready to just strip the first layer of paint back and give it a bit of a freshen up. So here we go. Well, he was a little bit stubborn to get off that fellow. A little bit of yucky rust under there. A bit of rust we'll have to deal with there as well. a good idea to keep your tools clean and keep them all in order. Makes the job a lot easier when you're working on stuff. If you just keep having a general tidy up every now and then, much easier to find your gear and not get frustrated. It's good work practice. You probably notice that the headlights have been recessed back into the grille. On the original Mihandra they were protruding at the front, but we recessed them so it's like the World War II Willys. We had the windshield off last year because we had to put a new windscreen on it, get a new windscreen cut, and I did some repairs to it because the bottom of the sill was all rusted out, so I actually had a piece of steel folded up to make a new ledge for the bottom of the sill. I ground the old rusted sill out and pop riveted the new one in, and we painted it with some undercoat until we could get to sort of stripping it all back down and repaint the whole vehicle. You can see the dash panel is just a flat steel one with the gauges mounted in. We got rid of the large ugly looking plastic one that came with it and flush mounted them all in there. Looks a bit more like the Willys Jeep. Well, we got most of the accessory items off, the headlights, indicators, the bumper bar, the hood tie downs, front windshield, your vents off. We'll pull the seats out next. Then we'll start to sand it back, maybe a bit of paint strip to help get that top layer of paint off. And it's got lots of holes in it, so we'll bog those up as well as we go on and patch up a couple little bits of rust. Carry on with it, so it's going to look great. So here's a sneak preview of what's coming up in the next video, so give us a like and a comment and look out for the next one.